this more than just a scene, or am I your fantasy?
Take the soda can and blue tack and wrap blue tack around the opening to make it airtight. This is to prevent any water or steam later on to leak out of the can.
Or is it only tonight?
Next, take the marker and mark 2 holes on the can big enough for the straws to go through. Use the cutter to carefully cut out these holes. Use the scissors to trim out the holes to make it big enough. Poke the straws through the holes and use blue tack to completely make the soda can airtight. Make sure to push the blue tack firmly around the holes. It should look like this. To make the base of the boat, cut out half of the milk box to have something that looks like this. Mark a small rectangle at the end, big enough for the 2 straws. Use the cutter and the scissors to cut it out carefully.
We can pretend.
Put the straws through the rectangle and hold it there with a piece of tape. You may need to put blue tack around the excess holes of the rectangle to make sure that no water will leak through later on. Make sure it's filled completely. Cut off the excess straw at the end. To fill the can with water, use the faucet and let water flow through one of the straws. Your boat is now ready. The candle with potential energy is lit to convert it to heat energy. It is placed under the soda can filled with water. The heat energy heats and boils the water inside to change its phase from liquid to gas or to steam. The steam that exits can be seen through the ripples in the water. The steam, since the can is airtight, has no choice but to expand and exit through the straws. The steam that comes out of the straws then turns the energy to kinetic energy as it pushes the boat.
We can pretend.
Relating this to the first law of thermodynamics, change in internal energy is equal to heat plus the work of the system. When heat is added to the system, the work must be negative to make it zero. The change should be zero because it is a closed system. Thus, for the work to be negative, the system does work on the surroundings. This is why the boat is compelled to move. A simple analogy with the same concept of the steam is when a house is filled with too many people. You'd feel hot and want to go outside. Similarly, when the liquid expands inside the system into steam, it has no choice but to leave through the straw.
So wake me, break me.